community. It's total community where everybody cares. They're doing what's right for a common cause to help the kids, and it shows the great community and the great members of Wright State.
Today is an event called Cards for Kids. It's being put on by We Serve You. This particular occasion allows us to have some fun, and these cards go to Dayton Children's Hospital and to a lot of the children that will be there over the fall and holiday season.
My son, who's 3.5, he spent 57 days in a NICU, and I know what the nurses did to try to make the holiday special for him, so I wanted to make holidays special for the kids.
I mean, there's nothing against, normal cards, wherever it is, but I don't know, me personally, I'll draw something. I'll always add something else, because it's fun. It's fun to know that someone's kind of personalized something for you.
I think everybody deserves to have, great holiday season, and I'd love to put a smile on somebody's face if I can.
We get 200 to 300 cards every year. I feel like we've already had 30, 40 people come in here so far, and usually we're around 75 to 100 that'll filter in and out, make some cards by the end of the event.
So this is the first time I've done this. I'm thrilled with all the supplies they have. Everything is set up for us to make the cards.
I think this is really awesome. You have this opportunity for college students and for anyone to really, get creative, do something fun for other people and give back.
I think it's great that Wright State supports something like this and encourages its staff and faculty and students to come out and help out in some way.
They have their family, but there's also other people out there that care and want the best for them.